Hey guys, come cook with me today for me and my family. We're gonna make some scallop potato, lamb chops, and a quick salad. Welcome back to Cooking with Feffie. So we're gonna use our meat. I use some lamb chops. You could use some pork chops. You can season it however you like. I use some adobo, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. You can add some rosemary or oregano or thyme. Throw in some soy sauce. I like to use a sweet soy sauce and just a little bit of oil to marinate it. Now we're gonna get our fingers dirty, mix it well, make sure the sauce gets all over. You can also try and taste the salt to see if the salt is to your liking. And don't forget some fresh garlic. Although I already put garlic powder, some fresh garlic always hits. Now you're gonna marinate it some more and we're gonna set that aside for at least a half an hour. And before we start with our scallop potato, let me make a quick sardine sandwich. I'm gonna cut some onion. You can add some fresh pepper, but I'm gonna just use some cayenne powder, some lime juice, black pepper, and some salt. Do not add too much too quickly. And throw in some onion, how much you like. Then you're gonna get your bread or your crackers and add some sardine to that. Fill it up as much as you like and enjoy a moment of silence like me. Now we're gonna move on to the sauce for the scallop potato. We're gonna use some cooking cream. I used about 3 of these cartons. Then you're gonna add some onion powder and some salt. Make sure to taste the salt, and don't forget adding your cheese. Might make it a bit salty also. Stir it up and bring it to a slight boil. You don't want to overcook it as it'll start sticking to the pan. Now we're gonna add your potato, cheese, potato, cheese, potato, and cheese. Layer it up nicely. Then we're gonna add the sauce to the pan until all the potatoes are covered. Cover it up with a foil. Into your oven on 200 degrees for 1 hour, and then you're gonna make sure go back after the hour, take off the foil paper, and broil it for another 10-15 minutes until the top is nice and browned. Now while that's almost done, we're gonna start with the lamb chops. Add some oil. I threw some thyme in there, and then you're gonna fry your lamb chops, pork chops, until it has a nice color on both sides. I wish you guys could smell this right now. It's so amazing. And there you have it, your lamb chops. Set it aside. And while that's done, the scallop potato comes out of the oven. Look at this beauty. I was so eager to cut it here and show you guys how it looks like, but do not forget, let it set for a bit. Let it rest for at least 15 minutes before taking it out of the pan. Whoops, close save. Now we're gonna make a quick salad. I like to just add some cucumber, some paprika, bell pepper, some onion, and some salad mix, whatever you like. Add some olive oil. Give it a nice stir. Add some lemon juice. Remember, you could use fresh lemons. I just didn't have any. And some balsamic cream. Let me tell you, this balsamic cream, oh my gosh. Now you're gonna plate your food. Add your scallop potato, your lamb chops. Doesn't it look like a heart shape? Add your salad. This is some avocado from St. Martin that I brought, and oh my goodness, it's so creamy. And some goat cheese or feta cheese, but I like my goat cheese. And actually, there you have it. It's a quick meal. I know it's already night in my video, but I hope you guys do enjoy. It's a really simple recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next videos. Bye.